Guys, welcome to Addota Farm. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can invest your money into Addota Goat Farm. How you can invest your money into Addota Goat Farm. You know, my colleague has talked about how you can invest your money, and he actually give you guys terms and conditions in which you can go about on how you can invest your money into our goat farm. So today, I still want to tell you guys that particular investment is still going on for whichever people that has interest in goat farming or sheep farming. It's either you invest your money into goats or you invest your money into sheep, and if you can do the both, fine, good, you can go ahead and do it. We'll accept that. And the list of goats that you can buy to our farm or the lower is 2. If you have money to buy more than that, or if you can buy 4, 10 upward, we will accept whichever amount that you bring to our farm. But anything below 2, we are not going to collect it in Addota Farm. And the goat must be 5 months old or older than 5 months. The goat must be 5 months old or older than 5 months. Any goat lesser than 5 months won't be accepted in Addota Goat Farm. And you'll be paying 500 naira for the feeding of the goats every month. You see, the money is not that much. You pay 500 naira for the feeding of the goats. We will be the person that will be taking care of the goats, and promise nothing will happen to the goat. And any goat that will be allowed to go into Addota Goat Farm must be checked by our farm doctor before we allow the goat to start walking around with the rest of the goats. So any goat that will be bought must be checked before allowing the goat to enter the farm. Then the investor, we are going to allow that person to come to the farm with his nest of kin to check the farm and see how the farm has been doing. In case if anything happens, your nest of kin knows our farm. We are not going to run away, although we are not going to run away from you guys, because we have a YouTube channel and we can't even spoil our reputations. We are here to guide you guys, and we want the best for you. We want to see you guys excel in agriculture and whatever business you are doing in agriculture. Like we said, it's either you invest your money into sheep or you invest your money into goats. And if you can do the both, if you are capable of doing the both, it's fine. So if you buy a goat now, when the area of sharing, if you buy 2 goats and they give birth to one, then and if you want to sell the goat, or you want to sell if you want to sell the goats, the money will be shared between you and Addota Farm. And if you want to share the kit will be shared evenly between you and Addota Farm. Or if you still want the terms and conditions, I will send you the PDF, or I will send you the link for you to download the PDF and read the terms and conditions. If you accept it, then you can contact me directly, or you contact the number that is on the phone. Whichever one you want to do, you can do it. Then if you want the goods to be bought, then like for example, if you are not staying in Nigeria and you want to start up these goods, and you are looking for how you can get these goods can be bought by investors, or we the Addota farmers, we can get the good for you. And if you have someone that can buy the goods and take it to our farm, there is no problem with that. You check the goods, then the goods will allow the goods to go into the farm. So if you want it, at the end of this video I will drop my contact list, and if you want, you can contact me directly. We'll talk. Although we do different things about we talk about crop farming, we talk about animal generally. So in any agriculture, in any farm animal that I want to go into, you can go back and check our videos. We talked about fish, we talked about pig, we talked about snail, and a lot of them. So whichever one you want to go into, go do well to check our videos, watch more videos, and see how you can go about it. And to my subscriber out there, I say a very big thank you to you guys for subscribing to our YouTube channel, for turning on the notification bell, as you guys will be notified anytime we are dropping videos like this. And we thank you for the comments and the likes and everything. We thank you, and we hope to see more of it again. And I want to address one issue. In one of my videos, I talked about how you can make your fish feed step-by-step guide. Although I never talked about the ingredients or the percentage of the feed formula. But if you want to get it, like I've been saying in my videos, it's not for free, and I won't charge you a huge amount of money to get this particular formula. But if you want me to produce the feed for you, feel free to contact me. I will produce the feed for you and will deliver the feed for you. There is someone that contacted me about this formula, and he was like, I mean, was talking something I didn't understand, and I never said that in my video. So please, if you want the formula, it's not for free. You can contact me, we will talk, and I will give you the formula, or I will produce the feed for you, whichever one that will be okay by you. So please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, do well to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to be notified when next we drop a new videos for you guys. Do well to like this video and share. And like you all know, before I start my speech, those are the goats that's already shown before. So we started this farm January, and from January to this month right now, 7 goats has given birth already. So can you see how fast the goat business is? And it's a long-term investment, not a short-term. So if you invest the money into it, at the nearest future, in the short time, you will make money from goat farming. So please do well and like this video. If you know that you like this video, do well and give me a thumbs up, and bye for now.